Hey there. So if you need to keep track of your fuel, then this is a great spreadsheet for you to use. This is perfect for Google Sheets and Excel, especially if you're a trucker or if you're a driver by trade, then this is a great sheet to use. I'll show you how it works. So first we're going to just put in the date that you filled up the gas, your location, the odometer, and then your odometer reading, the price per gallon, how many gallons you purchased, how much you paid for gas, how you paid it. So you're just going to choose that on the drop down box, and any notes. If you need to put your trucker ID, or if you need to put, who filled up gas, anything like that, any notes that you need to put on here is great. And then it will calculate your total amount paid for gas. Everything's just going to add up here for you. So it's a really, really easy sheet to use. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. This is available at savvyandthriving.com, and you'll have a great day.